In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can add structural columns to a project in Autodesk Revit. Here on my Architecture tab, I have a column tool. If I click the drop down underneath it, I can see that there are two different types, structural and architectural. I'm going to choose structural in this case to make sure that I have the structural information needed for the project. I can also go to the Structure tab and select Column here. Next, I will choose the type of column that I want. You can see this one has two different families loaded, rectangular concrete and W wide flange columns. I'm going to choose the 10 by 33 wide flange column. Next, I'm going to determine if I want to specify the depth or the height. So I'll select the depth if I'm starting on the top level. I'm on the ground floor, so I'll actually select height. Then I can specify how high I want these columns to go. In this case, they're going to go to the top of slab 14 roof. Then I can go ahead and start placing my columns. One way I can do this is just by simply clicking at the intersections of the grids. Another way I can do this is by choosing the At Grids tool and then clicking and dragging to select several grids. If I have a project where I need a column at every grid intersection, for example, this is a quick way to do this. I can click Finish, and you can see at every one of those intersections it placed a column. Of course, I can come back in and delete any columns that I do not need. So in some situations, it might be faster to place all columns than just come back and delete the ones that you do not want. After placing all of the columns necessary for this project, I can switch to the default 3D view, and I should be able to see the columns extending from the ground floor up until the roof level. That concludes this look at placing structural columns in Autodesk Revit.